Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you the easiest and cleanest way to create a 3x3 matrix in Google Docs. Google Docs doesn't have a direct matrix button, but we can quickly build a perfectly formatted one using tables. Let's get right into it. First, open your Google Doc. Go to the top menu, click on Insert, hover over Table, and choose a 3x3 grid. Next, go ahead and type your numbers or data into the 9 cells. To make it look neat, highlight the text and click the Center Align button. Now, here is the trick to making it look like a mathematical matrix. We are going to hide the top, bottom, and inner borders so that only the outer left and right lines remain as our brackets. Highlight the entire table. Now, hold down your Shift key and carefully click on the top outer borders, the bottom outer borders, and the inner grid lines between your numbers. Once those specific borders are selected, go up to the toolbar. Click on the border color icon and change it to white. Alternatively, you can click the border width icon and change it to 0 points. You should now see only the far left and far right vertical lines. To make them look like proper brackets, hold Shift to select both of these remaining lines and increase the border width to 1.5 or 2.25 to make them thicker. And there you have it, a clean, professional 3x3 matrix right inside your document. If this quick tip helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. Catch you in the next video.